Hello, I'm Maven, and welcome to my channel. If you found your way here, you may be trying to make sense of a confusing behavior of the past, emotional exhaustion, or lingering effects of narcissistic abuse. This channel was created to offer calm educational support for survivors seeking clarity, healing, and emotional grounding. The topic of this video is called How Survivors Begin Rebuilding Their Life After Narcissistic Abuse. At some point during recovery, many survivors notice something subtle begins to change. The constant confusion begins to settle, the emotional intensity becomes quieter, and a new question begins to appear. What does my life look like now? Rebuilding after narcissistic abuse does not usually happen all at once. Instead, it often begins with small shifts that slowly restore a sense of stability and direction. Leaving a narcissistic relationship can sometimes feel like stepping into unfamiliar territory. For a long time, much of your energy may have been focused on managing the relationship, responding to emotional conflict, or trying to maintain stability within an unpredictable dynamic. When that dynamic ends, the sudden quiet can feel very unusual. Some survivors describe it as peaceful, others describe it as uncertain, and both reactions are very normal. Because rebuilding a life after intense relationships often involves rediscovering routines, interests, and goals that were placed aside. Recovery often begins with very small changes. You may start reconnecting with activities that brought you the energy you thrived on in the past. You may, feel the wonder of spending time with supportive people, and it's an amazing feeling. Or simply allowing yourself to experience calm moments without tension. These steps may seem simple, but they represent important progress. Over time, survivors often begin rediscovering personal interest, their values, priorities, and even their talents. Decisions begin to feel more self-directed. Confidence slowly rebuilds, and life begins expanding again beyond the limits that once existed within the relationship. Rebuilding life after narcissistic abuse does not require rushing the process. Healing often unfolds gradually. Some days may feel encouraging. Other days may feel that they still bring you moments of reflection, painful reflections, etc. But over time, many survivors notice that their emotional stability continues growing. The experiences that once felt overwhelming begin to feel more distant, and the clarity gained during recovery becomes a powerful guide for future choices. Recovering from narcissistic relationships is not about understanding the past. It's about creating space for the future. A future where your energy is no longer spent navigating emotional instability, but instead invested in relationships and experiences and goals that support your well-being. The process may take time, but each step forward brings something meaningful. A life shaped by your own decision. And that journey often begins with the quiet realization that healing is already underway. Thank you for listening. I'm Maven with Narc Free Maven. My goal with these videos is to create a calm, steady space for people recovering from narcissistic and emotional abuse. A place where your mind can slow down, your nervous system can breathe, and you can begin to feel more clarity one step at a time. If this video brought you a small sense of comfort or peace tonight, I invite you to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be gently notified whenever a new calming ASMR recovery video is uploaded. You don't have to figure everything out at the moment. Just focus on taking care of yourself, one moment at a time. Until next time, be gentle with yourself, breathe deeply, and remember, clarity changes everything.